Thanks for joining me for today's short scale study. Today, we're going to build our tone and technique in the key of concert C minor. So, the key of concert C minor on the tenor saxophone means we're going to be playing our D minor scale. And we'll need a B flat. Now, added to that, our first example is a harmonic minor scale, which means we've got to change one of the notes of the scale. We've got to turn our C natural into a C sharp. That will make D harmonic minor. So we'll need a B flat fingering, but we'll also need our C sharp fingering. That doesn't require any fingers on the front of our keys. So let's do number 1, harmonic minor scale and arpeggio quarter notes. My metronome, as it always is set at 70 beats per minute. 1, 2, low D, and go. My saxophone is a little shaky today. I think I have a leak somewhere, and I'll have to take it to the repairman to have that leak fixed. So it's kind of making low D a little troublesome today. But I'm going to stick with it. Let's go on to number 2, harmonic minor scale and arpeggio eighth notes. We'll need that B flat and the C sharp again. 1 and 2, ready and go. Now we'll do the minor chords. Remember that C sharp. 1, 2, ready, and play. Great, now we'll do thirds. In the thirds exercise, you might be tempted to play an F sharp. Well, it's not F sharp today, it's F natural. 1 and 2 and thirds begin. And now we'll move on to the chromatic pivot scale. Our pivot note today is A. And we'll need a G sharp as our second note, and then a G, an F sharp, an F, an E. 3 notes from the end we'll need our D sharp, which is our thumb on the back register key, or octave key, 3 fingers on our left hand, 3 fingers on our right hand, and our pinky for D sharp. And then we'll end on the note D natural. Chromatic pivot scale. 1, 2, A, and play. And next, but not finally, next is our chromatic scale. We're starting with our low D, and then we'll add our pinky for low D sharp, and then on up the chromatic scale from there. Remember, at the end of this method book is a fingering chart, and it's so helpful because it has images that show you where your fingers go for these notes. It's important that if you don't know a note, not to avoid it, but learn it, and then master it. So here we go, chromatic scale. And 1, 2, ready, and. that low D with my leaky pad or not. But I did it. I got it. And finally, our chorale. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and. So there you go, Concert C minor. I hope this has been helpful, and I hope you've enjoyed playing along. I hope you're finding these scale studies fun and informative at the same time, and also reinforcing the things that you're learning with your band teacher. So, as I always say, keep on practicing, and I'll see you again soon.